In this video, I will show you how to use lip sync feature in Kling AI. First, open your Kling AI app. From the main menu, swipe left and tap on the lip sync feature. Now, tap on Upload Video and pick any clip you would like to use from your gallery. This can be a short selfie video, a reaction clip, or anything you want to sync. Once the video is ready, tap on Add Speech. Here you will see the text-to-speech box. Just type in the exact words you want your video to lip sync. You can keep it short and simple, or even try fun phrases to make it more creative. After typing your text, tap Add Speech. Then go to the top right corner of the screen and tap Apply to lock in your settings. Finally, tap Generate, and in just a moment, Kling AI will process everything and create a lip sync video where your chosen clip matches the words you type. And that's how to use lip sync feature in Kling AI.